What's up, donks? Welcome back to Sudoku. Jouer, my name is Sudoku. Today we're doing 1080 by Raumplaner and Qodec. This was suggested by Lee L. Cheer. I put it on my tab not too long ago, or a post, I'm sorry, for suggestions, and this is what was suggested. So we have normal Sudoku rows apply, and we have quad circles. Okay, so we have 1 to 9 every row, every column, and every 3 by 3 box. Then we have quad circles. So the digits in this circle need to be in the 4 surrounding squares. So this one, the 4 and 7 have to be in those 4, 3 and 5 have to be in those, 1, 2, and 3 have to be in here, 4 and 5 there, etc., etc. At least once. So if the rules like this 4 and 7, it's very possible that could be a 4 and a 4 here, and then a 7 and a 7 here. So it's possible that there's 2 4s and 2 7s. All right, let's restart the timer and let's go. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be a pain in the butt. Okay, so where do we start? Okay, so we have 3s here and 3s here. So then I know that the 3s will be down here. I know I don't like to do 3, but pencil mark 3s, but that doesn't seem like it's going to be the worst idea in the world right now. Okay, do we have another one like that? 8s and 8s. So there's definitely 8s here. So we know that the 8s are going to go this way. And then 1s are in this box, so these can't be 1s. So the 1s in this 139 will be here. So those are going to be there, but that's not. I'm going to put them up here, but on that corner. I don't usually do the corner ones, but we'll see what we do with this. Hmm. Okay, let's see, what else do we see? Oh, we have 3s here, so we know that the 3s will be over there, which puts 3s like that. Okay. Can we do the same with 2s or 4s? We cannot, because it's possible that the 4s are there and then there. Okay. All right. Okay. Sixes. 1s and 6s are here. 4 and 9 are there. Okay, let's take a look at this. So this box is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So let's look at this. Okay, so this has 3, 6, 9, 3, 6. So there's 36 digits in this, in here, right? And there's 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6. And there's 36. So there's 36 digits in this, and then there's 36 squares. So we know all the digits. So right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 9, 5, 8, 4, 9. Yeah, so, okay, so if that's right, 3, 6, 9, 12. So that'd be 24 plus 3, 6, 9, 24 plus 12. That's 36. So yeah, so we know that the 36 digits are in here. So what's down here? Anything that's not in there. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. So we know 6 and 7 are going to be down here. We have 1, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So this is going to be, so we know the 2 is going to be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 is going to be up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 and 9 are going to be there. So we can pencil mark the 8s up here. Is that right? I think so. Okay, so then we have 2s this way, and then we have 2, 8, and then 2, 8. So does that mean the 2s are going to be up here? I think it does, but I'm not 100% certain on that. No, because if it could be 2, if the 2 was here, then it'd be 1, 5, 6, 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 8, 1, 3, 9, 4, 8, 1, 2, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 3, 5, 4, 7. Okay, but oh, here we go. 9s are there, so it fills that up, fills the 9 up. So this should be a 9, and then that'll be an 8. So then this is going to be a 9. 9's going to be in here. This will be a 9 as well. So the 9 has to go there, which places the, wait, so does it place this as a 9 and then that as a 9? I think it does. Which puts the 9s here. I can delete that 9, okay. Okay, so 3s are here, 3s are here. So we're going to put 3's got to go this way. But I don't know the location of the 3's here. But no, 3's and 3's. So yeah, the 3's have to go up here. So then that has to put, the 3's have to go here then. So that's not a 3. So then 4 and 8 have to go on one of these 3, or 2 of those 3. Okay. All right. I mean, I'm just happy that I've got this, I've gone this far. All right, and then we have 8s here, and then 8s are there, so then I can pencil mark the 8s down here, which puts 8s there, so that's no longer an 8. And then so 8s are there, 8s are here, 8 has to be in there, so I can put the 8s there, which means this has to be an 8, right? No, because the 8 can be in here. Okay, this is confusing. I did put that if bonus points if this made me cry, and I am getting very close to crying. 10 minutes in, but I found a few digits. I'm happy with that. I wonder if it's worth it to just pencil mark everything right now. Let's give it a shot. And then I'll just undo if it's a mess. Did I already pencil mark the ones there? Yes, so then those are not ones, right? So did I already one? Did I already find that as a 5? That's a 5, 1, 3. I mean, I think I might have 4 7s, 3 5s, 1 6, 2 4, 5s, 1 2, 4 8. Did I do that correctly? 9s are there, 4s are everywhere, 5s are everywhere, but then the 8s have to be up here. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I don't know. I don't know for certain my logic works. So then the 2s are there. So this is not a 2. This is the 2. Okay, delete that. That's now 4 8. So this should be a 1 and a 5. So it'd be 8, 4, 8. Move those 5s. 5s are there. Okay. So then this is, we're missing a 3. Okay, so the 8s have to go there. this is now, so 2s are down here, which would place this as a 2. It's going to be a 6, 7 pair. We have 1s down here, 3, 4. It's going to be 1, 5. That's going to be a 6, 7 pair. So this is a 2, 4, 8. This is also 6, 7 pair. Okay. Okay, so that's 3 and 4. That cannot be a 4, right? I think so. I don't know. I'm getting confused. Yeah, okay. So yeah, if I remove this 5, because I already have a 5 on here, right? Is that the way? I think that's what we're looking at. And then that's a 3, 4 pair, so I should be able to remove that 4. And if the 8s have to go here, then this should be the 2. And remove that 8, so that should be a 1. So that 1 should be gone. So this should be a 6. Which would place this as a 2. Can remove those 4s. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah, I can remove that 8 as well. Three. This has to be the 1. 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so this will be a 5 and a 1. Move that 2. Places that as a 2. Move that 5. 3, 4, 7. This is a 6. 7, 7, 6. Okay. All right. Three, 4 up here. So this is not a 3. Oh, I said not a 3. Okay, so the 6s are now here, so I believe I can remove the 6s from there, which would place that as a 5. And I would force an 8 here. Three, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So 3, 4, 6, and 7. Okay, so then I can pencil mark the 1s and 2s. Well, so that's a 1, 2, 9 triple. 5s would be up there. So we don't have any 5s in this box, so I can pencil mark the 5s there. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is going to be 1, 2, 5 triple with a 4, 3, 4, 8 up here. Okay. All right. So 1s are in the corners in this box. 5s are there. 8s are here. I can do 8s here. I was right earlier. That's okay. That's fine. Second guess yourself. That's what happens. I'm just going to pencil mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that's a 3, 4, 8. Yep, we already knew that. 1, 2, 9. So this is a 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Fours. 5's already done. 6's. So it's a 4, 7 pair. Or 7's are there, I should say. Then 8 and 9. Okay, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2. All right. Then this is, so 3 and 5 are definitely over here. So 5's, okay, so 5's are definitely there, which I can remove this 5. So it's now 4, 7. Yeah. Puts the 5 here. Moves the 4's there. Okay. 3, 6. So this is now 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. So I can remove the 4's from there. So 3, 5, 7 triple. Okay. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. We have 1's in the corners. 2's in the little basket. 3's already done. 4's are here. 5's are here. 6's. 7's. 8's. 9's. Okay, that's not work. That's not good. 3, 4, 6, 3, 6, 7, 4, 8, 1, 2, 5. That's a 4, 8, 9 in the row. Okay, so 8, 9, 4, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7. Good. Sevens have to go there. Okay, so this is going to be a 6. Okay. 6's are gone. 6's a 4, 7 pair. I can delete the 4, 7 there. And then this, so that's going to be a 3 and a 6. Okay, so that's a 4, 8 pair. 4, 7, 8. Okay, so then we have 3's are here. 7's are up there, right? So I can remove the 7's from there. I can place that as a 7. So this, or 3, sorry, that's a 7, 4. Okay. If my logic is correct, this should solve the rest of the puzzle. 7, 6, 8, 7, 4, 3, 6, 7, 3, 8, 4, 4, 9, 8, 7, 1, 5, 2, 1, 9, 2, 7, 9, 4, 8, 6, 3, 5, 9, 8, and 4. Oh my goodness, 24:30. Ooh, baby. Oh, that was good. Ooh, that was a great suggestion. I really appreciate that, Leo. Cheer. So much fun. That was way tougher than I wanted it to be. I was hoping to be a little bit easier, but that was great. Great suggestion. Great puzzle.